New batsman on the field has already made his mark by cracking a useful boundary towards point, and this is the last wicket. And a very precious wicket of that of the captain. And rejoicing in his magnificence is Sachin Joshi.
That's a important wicket as far as Telugu Warriors is concerned. Set man Joy, who was striking well, got out, and Sachin gave a rightly break for Warriors. We have a new bowler, Samrat, for Telugu Warriors. You see the
खूबसूरती से लबरेज.
another celebrity.
देखिए
This
on
must
field
be Vinit. This must be from Telugu.
has to be.
She must be from Telugu Warriors. I'm getting feedback from she must be from Rockstar. I don't think so.
That's a clever way of finding out who she is.
The first innings का हीरो यूसुफ आया हुआ है. देखते हैं आज इस इनिंग्स में क्या करेंगे ये.
जी बिल्कुल. और जब भी रोमांच ऑन फील्ड अगर थोड़ा धीमा लगने लग जाए तो ये डगआउट पे जो खूबसूरत चेहरे हैं इनको देखकर ही आश्वासन मिल जाता है कि आज क्रिसमस ईव है.
वापस रोमांचन भी याद आ जाती है.
और ये सहमा हुआ एक शॉट ज्यादा श्योर नहीं दिखाई दे रहे थे यूसुफ, और अगर श्योर होते भी तो मुझे लगता है कि ये जो शॉट पॉइंट की तरफ एम कर रहे थे वो इंटरसेप्ट हो जाता.
He is trying to pierce the gap. Couldn't pierce it because it was fielded very well from Sachin Joshi again. So Sachin Joshi is there everywhere. After Yusuf.
Well, that's a very welcome boundary by Yusuf. The brilliance that we saw in the first match seems to be returning to him. He's understanding the possibility that his captain now gone. He has to take things and grab this opportunity by the horns.
That's the good pick from Yusuf. Shot. Made it count, that shot. Getting another boundary to get the score to 31.
पावर प्लेस का आखिरी ओवर है ये. कोशिश यही करनी चाहिए कि जितने बड़े शॉट्स लगा सके लगाएं. डॉट बॉल, not a welcome sign, at least in a 10 over format.
Another dot ball puts on a batsman in two minds. Can he take a single or get a boundary? So far it's only 4 runs in this over. Very good over according to the format.
खुशकिस्मत.
See, we need what batsman gets into pressure by just playing 4 dot balls. We can visibly see it.
The stress on his face is palpable. Last ball of the power play. Let's see.
Can he get a boundary?
Will he get a boundary? No, he doesn't. And that concludes the third over as well as the power play. It's 32 for the loss of 1 wicket. पार करे, और ये शख्स जो अभी हमारी स्क्रीन पे दिखाई दे रहे थे यूसुफ, ये कितना कमाल करते हैं वो देखना दिलचस्प रहेगा. सेलिब्रिटी क्रिकेट लीग है तो खूबसूरती की कोई कमी नहीं होने वाली है. और यहाँ पे क्राउड cheering and jeering for their favorite celebrity. खयूम नए बॉलर हैं, उमर खयूम तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के लिए, और चौथा ओवर शुरू होने वाला है.
Vinit, this is the best so far power play score, 32 for 1, which Bengal Tigers has got it. That's a great
That's a
shot.
good shot. Will they get a couple? No, they've just come back for a single. Running between the wickets में जो एग्रेशन दिखना चाहिए इस वक्त, मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि उसकी अहमियत अभी पहचानी गई है इस टीम के द्वारा कम से कम.
I think they are looking only to score in the form of boundaries. That's the reason the running between the wickets, we are seeing a little less an effort on that.
Or perhaps it's the fatigue.
I don't see a fatigue
It's
because
the second match of the day.
probably because they had a rest in between the game. But again, that how much hungry you are to win the game. It's only T10 winning. It's not T20 or 50 overs format. One blast and you are done it. So I think they got to give the best, because if they win here, Bengal Tigers, they get straight into the finals.
Well, it's interesting to see the wicketkeeper wearing a baseball catcher's helmet and protecting himself. Always good to see such inventions, such improvisations, Sunil, on the cricket field. Perhaps a tip, a cue that the Indian team can also pick up.
These days, we do get so many new innovations in the form of protection to yourself. And it's good to see that those innovations, keeps you comfortable as far as your protection is concerned. But you need to get used to it.
Absolutely. Dot balls always mount pressure on the batsman. Let's see how this one is played. Well, he's tried to nudge it towards point, but it's been intercepted. Another good piece of fielding from the Telugu teams. Manoj Tiwari there. Popular actor, popular politician, and even a better cricketer. He's up next, and it's sure to be an entertaining match.
Manoj Tiwari, very popular person across the country.
What was that, Sunil?
Not required from Uday Pratap. He can give a strike to Yusuf.
Exactly.
When Yusuf is middling the ball very well.
Well, it's a very good over. Three
Absolutely.
dot balls, just 3 runs coming off of it, and the last ball. Pressure, pressure, gentlemen, lot of pressure.
That's where is a format called T10.
Well, a bad shot and an equally bad attempt, and that ends the 4th over. 35 to the loss of 1 wicket.